Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing a safe, elevated spot and installing the lightning rod immediately. This protects plants as they grow. Drive a 2-3 meter copper or galvanized rod into firm ground until only 20-30 cm remains visible, ensuring a continuous conductor runs to a low-resistance ground electrode. Once done, run heavy gauge, insulated grounding cable to a buried rod or grid, and make sure the area for your garden beds is 1-2 meters away to avoid root and water interference. You now tie the rod into a proper grounding network and prepare soil for planting. Good grounding reduces strike risk and keeps stray currents away from roots. Connect with a heavy conductor using corrosion-resistant clamps, then bury the cable and bond to additional electrodes if needed. Meanwhile, mix 5-10 centimeters of compost into topsoil, correct pH to near neutral, and build raised beds 20-30 centimeters high to improve drainage. Once beds are set, install drip lines and mulch to conserve moisture. You finish by planting and maintaining both garden and lighting system while watching for issues. Consistent care keeps plants healthy and the rod effective. Plant to recommended spacing, water with scheduled drip cycles, and use a soil probe to avoid overwatering. Inspect the rod assembly seasonally and after storms. Make sure clamps are tight and the conductor shows no corrosion, and keep vegetation trimmed within 1 meter of the rod. If you detect unusual shocks, burn plants, or visible damage, immediately stop work and contact a licensed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.